Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok permanently banned. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok permanently banned, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok and you will click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.